Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can add page border in Microsoft Word. Now, this is going to be quick and straightforward, so let's have it. So I have a document here already open. Now we can go to design and click on page border. Now from here, you will have different options. So you can have a box or shadow. You can also have 3D, or you can also have your own custom border. Now you can also select your style and select your color. So here you can also choose the thickness of your border. Now you can also choose which sides will have the border. So you can have all sides or specific sides only. You can also choose to apply the border to a specific page in the document, or you can choose to apply the borders to all pages in the document. So here, if you scroll down, we can see that the border is applied to all the pages we have. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.